Building with Papa. Okay, my client wants me to install this attic ladder. I already removed the little 2 foot by 2 foot access point, and I took the trim off and I put the trim underneath the opening. I put the ladder up inside the attic, and then I'm in the attic and I slide it over on top of the trim. This puts the ladder in the place where it needs to go. You can look all the way around, and now we need to start attaching it. And the best place to attach it first is at the head point. Okay, so I put the bolts in, drove them in tight. This is square. I checked it first. And now on the sides, we're going to start to put them in, but we have to shim them. So you put them in, but you don't tighten them up all the way yet. As long as you have the header attached properly, now you can shim each side so that you have it nice and square. Then your next point is you're going to cut that strap and lower the ladder. Now make sure you have all your shims in, tighten up the bolts, and then she's in the perfect spot. Now when you lower the ladder, it may be too long. As you can see, the ladder is touching the ground before it actually is straight. So they make these little shoes. You can see them here in the picture better. Take the screws off and then let the ladder go down. This one did not go down. I had to actually cut it above the first step, which is fine. I cut it and then I reattached the shoes to the side with the bolts that they provide. Once I did that, now the ladder sits perfectly on the ground and you can easily go up and down this attic. We didn't put any trim on. We wanted it to be even with the drywall, and I think it came out quite well. The customer's happy, and now we've completed another project, and I hope that you liked, subscribe, and ring that bell. Leave me a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one.